Hi everyone, I'm here to do some Heggerty exercises with you. Today we're going to start with our word families. So the word family I want you to brainstorm for is ag. Those would be words that rhyme with bag and are in the ag word family. So go ahead and pause the video here and then see how many you can think of and then come back when you're done. All right, I thought of rag, sag, gag. Did you think of any other ones? Okay, now we're going to do beginning sounds. So that's where I say the word, you repeat the word, and then we say it together, really putting an emphasis on that first sound, which we're working on the ah sound. After, after. Accident, accident. Answer, answer. Acrobat, acrobat. Attic, attic. Antler, antler. Apple, apple. Ash, ash. Add, add. Good. Okay, I am going to get your choppers ready and we are going to chop do some blending with those long vowel sounds. So we have our beginning sound and our long vowel sound. Here we go. P, I, pie. L, o, low. D, a, day. F, e, fee. S, I, sigh. J, o, Joe. R, a, ray. N, o, no. T, I, tie. W, I, why. Good work. Let's get ready to roller coaster some words. The first word is pack. P-ack. Had. Add. Tab. T-ab. Bam. B-am. Mat. M-at. Nap. N-ap. Tag. T-ag. Pan. P-an. Sack. S-ack. Mad. Mad. Good. All right, now we're going to do some segmenting. So I'll say the word, you repeat the word, and then we're going to chop the beginning sound and the last sound. Boo, b-oo, dough, d-o, two, t-oo, key, k-e, way, w-a, moo, m-oo, lie, l-I, so, s-o. Good job. Okay, get your fists ready. We're going to do some phoneme substitution. The word is to. Change t to n. New. The word is say. change s to w, way. The word is low, change l to s, so. The word is me, change m to b, be. The word is toe, change t to l, low. The word is knee, change n to s, see. The word is lay, change l to p, pay. The word is no, change n to g, go. The word is we, change w to me. Good work. Okay, so we're going to add some beginning sounds. Start with our ending sound and add a beginning sound in it to make a word. Here we go. The sound is A, add to the beginning. May. The sound is E, add w to the beginning. We. The sound is I, add t to the beginning. I. The sound is O, add s to the beginning. So. The sound is oo, add z to the beginning. Zoo. Good. Now we're going to remove some phonemes, some beginning sounds. The word is reach. Without r, the word is each. The word is bit. Without b, the word is it. The word is peach. Without p, the word is each. The word is sill. Without s, the word is ill. The word is tar. Without t, the word is are. The word is cup. Without k, the word is up. The word is Sam. Without s, the word is am. The word is wall. Without w, the word is all. The word is jump. Without j, the word is ump. The word is beach. Without b, the word is each. Good job today.